Guys, in this video I am going to teach you how you can find the big number factorial. For example, if number is 5, so you can easily find out the factorial is 120. But I will give you number 20. Again you can find out these factorials. If I will give you number n equal to 1 2 3 4, then how you can do this? You know how you can do this? If you don't know, please watch this video and you can crack an interview, because so many interviewers asking these questions because you don't know about how can you do it. So let's start now. I'm going to open my Eclipse and just write one class, and class is nothing but big number factorial. Big number factorial. So you have to find the big number factorials. How you can find it? Just a quick, I will do it. So before going to do anything, just create one main methods. Okay. Now what you have to do? Just create one scanner class. SCNR, scanner, and scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in. If you know Java, then you can easily do it, because in Java it is available. Okay, so just import it package, and now you have to do, what you have to do, you take one number int n equal to sc dot, okay, you take one numbers, and this number is nothing but, you have to take the numbers through the users. So sc dot next int, take these numbers and just find the factorials. So how you can find the factorials? You have to take one variables, and this variable name is big factorials. Big factorial is a one of the class big integer. Big integer is a one of the class in your Java, and you can write fact like that, and just write big integer. If you initialize like that, it will give you error. Okay, so don't initialize like that. You have to initialize with enum big integer dot 1. Okay, now you have to do, just create one for loop as well. Int I equal to 1 and I less than equal to whatever your numbers and I plus plus. That's it. And just you have to write fact equal to fact dot multiply what, big integer dot value of I. Okay, so your factorial is completed, and you can just print outside of this loop, loop and fact. That's it. So how you can do this? It's very easily, and it's very reliable. You can find any factorials in this program. Through this you can find any numbers of the factorials. Okay, I hope you got it. I'm going to run this program just to watch it. So just click on the run button. Okay, where is console? Just run server Java application. Oh my god, console is not appear na, that's why. So just enable the console. So console is asking one number, for number is 5, enter factorial is 120. If you refresh this one more times, it will asking one numbers. For example 3, you know the factorial is 6. If you one more times you refresh this and just write 1 2 3, and this factorial is this number. This is the big number of the factorials. You can find it easily, no doubt in that. And this is the program. It's a very very fantastic program. Okay, I hope you understood very well. Run one more times so you can understood. Just run Windows so console. So the console, like console, you can enter 1, so factorial is 1. If you enter 0, factorial is 1, right? If you enter 7, factorial is this. If you enter 1 2 3 4, also you can able to find out the factorial of these numbers. I hope you got it, and you can find out any factorials, because this question is very popular, because it's a real time project. You can use these methods. Thank you so much for watching my video.